welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. So as today is another BBR Sunday, and so I brought a very interesting and a video which is full of fun, and it is the Mix Up Unique video, which is our unique concept for today's BBR Sunday. It is that a lot of our awesome viewers who are putting just down some awesome comments and are following us from a lot of our BBR videos and are also trying to read a lot of our BBR reviewed books. And of course, all of these awesome viewers are gonna give some short clips of them, that how they felt BBR and which books they read and how they felt inspired by reading to the books which we have reviewed. Okay, so if you want a spotlight in our this unique mix-up video series, what you need to do is just put down some awesome and catchy comments which are really very great and write more about our BBR and BBR videos. And that's it. And we want to make a very unique mix-up video of you all also. So now, without wasting time, let's get started with that unique mix-up because everyone is just waiting for it. So, unique mix-up is our wish. So let's start the video in a swish. So let's begin. So number one, the short awesome clip we have is of the famous writer or author of the two books we have already reviewed. Have you got it? Your most favorite review was of Marathi Mulanसाठी English grammar book, and yeah, you all got it. The writer or the famous author is Dr. Joseph Toscano sir. Okay, so let's move to their awesome clip.
श्रद्धाने सुरू केलेला BBR हा पुस्तकांचा रिव्ह्यू घेण्याचा उपक्रम खूप नाविन्यपूर्ण असा आहे. ती विविध क्षेत्रातील पुस्तकं हाताळत आहे आणि या लहान वयातली समज खरोखरच वाखाणण्याजोगी आहे. आतापर्यंत तिने माझे 2 पुस्तकाचा रिव्ह्यू घेतला आहे, मराठी मुलांसाठी इंग्लिश ग्रामर आणि ग्रेटरची गोष्ट. आणि या दोन्ही पुस्तकांचं रिव्ह्यू श्रोत्यांना आवडल्याचं मला कळलं आहे. त्यात तिला मी अजूनही एका पुस्तकाचं रिकमेंडेशन केलेलं आहे आणि ते म्हणजे मेहताने काढलेलं 70रीतला भारत हे पुस्तक होय. हे पुस्तक आपल्या तरुणाईसाठी खूप उपयुक्त आहे, कारण स्पर्धा परीक्षा तसेच कौन बनेगा करोडपती या खेळासाठी त्याचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो. तिला तिच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये अजूनही बदल घडवून आणला पाहिजे आणि श्रोत्यांची संख्या वाढवली पाहिजे, जेणेकरून BBR हा कार्यक्रम सगळ्यांचा आवडता होईल आणि उपयुक्त असा करेल.
And so on number 2 we have is one of our best viewers. She has told, and she is Anushka Bhosle. So let's move to her awesome and unique inspirational quote and all of that beautiful things she had said to her. Let's move to our clip.
This is Anushka. I am one of the viewers of Unique Chat BBR who like the videos the most. I've been watching many of the videos of Unique Chat BBR and I've been just loving it, just because I love the way Shraddha explains us the book review of each and every book. And so I've influenced to read one of the book, that's The Alchemist. Now only I gone through the video which Shraddha shared with us, and she really explained a very good review on the book Alchemist. I thought that the book review is so good, then surely the book will also be very, very good. I have surely not completed the whole book, but I have completed the quarter part and I have experienced that the book is so good. and the many of the videos of her have been proved very useful and helpful for me. Even I suggest you to watch Unique Chat BBR's videos because they surely be very helpful and useful to you. Thank you.
And so on number 3 is my uncle, it's Sanjay Kangle, and he has really given a very unique message for all of us, and it's really very great. I really felt very good and really touched by that. So let's move to his clip.
Hello, hi Shraddha. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to talk about your program, what you are giving regularly every week. So I can say it is a very good program what you are giving, and I'm watching every week regularly this program on the books and on the other things of the planning and scheduling and doing the things in a good way. So it is a nice program, and based on after hearing this program and listening the BBR reviews, though I was reading some of the books on the management, but not very regularly, and then when I saw that you are giving this program so passionately, I also my habit has got a habit to read again. So I read the book The Alchemist, what you have given to me. Watch what I gifted to you, and you have given the BBR review on that book, and you have given back that book to me to read. After this book reading, I was started reading the couple of books, and then I heard that your BBR review on the monk who sold his Ferrari. So after hearing that BBR review, I happened to got a book called I Bought the Monk's Ferrari, because it is a little bit a different topic than what you talked about, and I just wanted to understand that how this book is different. And by this inspiration what I got from your program, I started regularly buying the book and reading the book, and at presently I am reading the book that how to say no when you want to say yes, and how to say yes when you want to say no. So this is what I can say, and I can really thankful to you that you have taken this initiative to give the reviews to the books to the people, and then you are also trying to put the people for the habit of reading the books. So thank you very much for your this wonderful program what you are doing, and I wish that in the coming episodes also will have the same kind of lessons or same kind of reviews you are going to bring. So thank you very much, and all the best for your upcoming programs, Shraddha. Thank you. Bye bye.
So on number 4 is one of our best viewers who is really following us from our first video, and who puts comments in all of our videos, and her comments are really very great. So she is Chaitrali, and she's also having really very inspirational comment and also really very good message for all of us. So let's move to it.
Hi Shraddha, I'm Chaitrali. Today I'm expressing my opinion about your YouTube channel Unique Chat BBR. I like your all videos, and among those my favorite is study tips video. By following your study skills, it helps me in my examination and academic career. It is must for all students, so I recommend everyone to follow Shraddha's channel Unique Chat BBR. Best of luck Shraddha for your YouTube journey, and I hope you make a very big YouTube family very soon.
So on number 5 is one of my best viewers. Yeah, all of these are my best and unique viewers. So she is Shambhavi Devre, and also puts really very great comments, not in our videos, but she tells us personally. So let's move to her clip.
I'm Shambhavi, a regular viewer of a channel Unique Chat BBR. In one of the video of BBR, I came to know about a book, Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. It was really great book. After watching that video, I purchased that book, and I was really inspired from that book. It consists of some tricks, tips and techniques that to stop procrastinating and to increase our productivity. Thank you Shraddha for for referring this good book.
So on number 6 is one of our best viewers who always follows us and always watches our videos. So she is Rajeshwari and she is also having a unique message. I am told that each and every one of our viewers and who have shared with us these awesome clips are having their unique messages. So let's move to it.
Hi Shraddha, I watch your video every Sunday when you release it. It is amazing videos and my favorite part of the video is the bonus tip when you see it. It is amazing and I always wait for the bonus tip when you release it and when I will see it. It is amazing and I like it a lot. My favorite video of your video series is DIY video and it is amazing, and 2020 regulations also is my favorite video. You always say good things about a book and its contents. It is always a good thing to say it and I like your videos a lot. It is amazing. We all enjoy the video and it is good.
On number 7 we have is Akshay, the director of Mass Services, and is a really very good businessman. He's also having a really very unique message for all of us. So let's move to it.
हाय श्रद्धा, तुझं काम खरंच युनिक आहे एकदम. मला तर खूप नाविन्यपूर्ण उपक्रम वाटला हा आणि माझी एक फेवरेट बुक होती द पॉवर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. ती तू ज्या पद्धतीने त्याचा रिव्ह्यू दिला इट वॉज अमेझिंग. मला असं वाटतं की तू छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं जी एक जीवन परिचय आहे छोटा त्यांच्या मॅनेजमेंटविषयी, शिवाजी द मॅनेजमेंट गुरु या पुस्तकाचं नाव आहे, तर त्याविषयी एक तू एपिसोड आता तयार कर आणि ऑल द बेस्ट. खरंच खूप चांगलं काम करते तू आणि मला असं वाटतं की एक भावी खूप म्हणजे एक मोठी इन्फ्लुएन्सर म्हणून तू आता नावलौकिक होशील.
Okay, so these were the 7 clips. These were the 7 short clips from our most following viewers. I hope you all enjoyed it, and like this only you also stay connected. So you would have just wondered why we have made this unique mix-up just in middle. Because for you all to start by reading. Now you all just saw these 7 clips. This is what our main aim is, for you to urge to read books. So while you're watching our BBR reviews, what you need to do is when you get some inspiration, start by reading books. So once you do it for about a few days, you're gonna get a quick habit of reading books and you're really gonna be really with a lot of knowledge. So you start by following us on our lots BBRs and also start by reading books, and on one day you will be on the spotlight in one of our unique mix-up video series. So why are you waiting for? Just quickly go check out some of our BBRs you love the most, read that book, purchase that book, and that's it. And just put your comments in the comment section with your that BBR experiences and what were your that inspiration. And that's it. And you're gonna get a quick spotlight in one of our unique mix-up series which is coming up very, very, very soon as you do that. Okay, and so that was all from me for all of you today. I hope you loved the video. I hope you loved this special, unique mix-up concept. And in the meanwhile, a new video with a new concept is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at sharp 5 p.m. So stay tuned and connected till that time. And also, please press that subscribe button and a bell icon right next to it. And please leave us a thumbs up if you like our work and want more and more best videos. Because all of your thumbs ups and comments really motivate us to make more best videos. And of course, don't forget to put loads of your that various beautiful catchy comments in the comment section, and I'm gonna give a hashtag shout out to them in my next video, and also the hashtag FlashMeOnes. And that was all from me, and happy watching, happy learning, and unique readings.